Hey everybody, Jim King with the King Piers Team. We're out here in Harrisonville, Missouri on this beautiful historic stone foundation. What we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make this, take about 8 inches of this clay floor, lower it. Then we're going to come in here and we're going to bring in some 3/4 inch clean rock. Put a vapor barrier over that, and we'll pour them a 4-inch concrete basement floor that'll flow really nice. It'll be the whole floor will be a drain underneath it. Running to a sump pump back over there in the corner. We're going to have 3 walls. We're going to totally remove and rebuild back up vertically. Right in this area around the fireplace, we're going to have 4 footings with vertical and horizontal support beams around this, and we'll actually raise the floor. On the main floor, it kind of slopes down. We'll eliminate that by raising this up. So stay tuned as we get started out here. King Piers, Harrisonville. For all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook and give us a thumbs up and a comment on YouTube. Thank you.